All right, this is what we're doing today. Laws of exponents. Raising a power to a power, a negative exponent, and 0 as an exponent. All right, start off with raising a power to a power. Again, exponents tell you how many bases there should be, except we have parentheses now. This squared tells you that their base, which is m to the fourth, should be done twice. So m to the fourth times n to the fourth. And then again, exponents should tell you that the bases multiply together that many times. So 4 right there, 1, 2, 3, 4 right there. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That gives us m to the 8. All right, next one. This 5 tells you that there's m squared 5 times. A squared, a squared, a squared, a squared, a squared. So we'll expand that out to more. A times A, A times A, A times A, A times A, A times A. So we now have A to the 10th power. X to the third to the 4th power tells you that this 4 tells you that x to the third should be written 4 times. And this 3 tells you that x should be written 3 times. 2, 3, and this one again. 1, 2, 3, and this one again. 1, 2, 3. So we have a total of x to the 12th power. All right, again, we have the blanks at the bottom. I need you guys to figure out how to do those and fill them in. Let's go to the negative exponent. Okay, we have x to the third and x to the 5th at the bottom. The rule that we figured out last time was that we're supposed to do x to the 3 minus 5. So that results with an x to the negative 2. Okay, I'm going to have to do this a different way because I don't know how to do it. Negative exponents. There should not be any negative exponents, so I don't want negative exponents. So let's just go back to our original expand of x to the third right here and x to the 5th. We have x to the third because x, 3 of them there. There's 5 there because x to the 5th. This one's out, this one's out, this one's out. We are left with x squared at the bottom, and there should be a number up here or a variable, but there is not, so we just put a 1. And this is it. This is our answer. 1 over x squared. Okay, so let's do this other one again. So a2 minus 3, that's what the rule says. We are left with a to the negative 1. Again, negative exponents, I don't like them, so let's just expand everything out. 1, 2, 3, a squared, a to the third, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Cancel those out. We are left with 1 over a. Next one, we got m to the 1, because there's a 1 exponent right there, minus 4. So m to the negative third. So I don't like negative exponents. There should be one m at the top. 1, 2, 3, 4 at the bottom. Cancel that out, or 1 it out. We are left with m to the third at the bottom, because there's 1, 2, 3, and there's a 1 at the top. We've got to put something there. All right, before you guys start to fill in the blanks, I need you to notice that this was the answer you're supposed to get. This was the answer you're supposed to get here, and this was the answer you're supposed to get here. And I need you to find what happened between this negative 2 exponent becomes that, this negative 1 becomes this, and then this negative 3 becomes that. Okay, you should kind of figure out what happens there. All right, next one, 0 exponent. We got x to the 4th over x to the 4th. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's how you expand it out. If you use the rule, it should say x to the 4th minus 4. This should equal x to the 0. So there's our 0 exponent. We cancel the 1 these out, 1 these out, 1 these out, 1 these out. We have a fraction now with nothing on top and nothing on the bottom. But again, we're supposed to have numbers there, so we have to use a 1. So what's a 1 over 1? It's a 1. You got p squared over p squared. So if you use the rule, p to 2 minus 2, we got p to the 0, p's, 2 p's there, 2 p's there, 1 out, 1 out. We are left with 1 over 1, which is just 1. And I think you guys are gonna get this last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What do you think it's gonna be? Yeah. Okay. Fill in the blanks. That should be a really easy one. And see you tomorrow.